Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X80 Lite, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off. When the device turns off, all you need to do is hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. And as you can see, when the device turns on, it automatically goes into Fastboot mode, which you can see right over here. Now from here we have two options. We can either leave this mode by selecting reboot, which you can do by pressing power button, or you can select recovery mode, which you would need to use the volume buttons to navigate down and then press power button to confirm it. So anyway, I'm gonna select reboot, which will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.